Hi guys, for today's episode, we're going to make Pikachu. Let's start with an oval-shaped yellow fondant. Put a floral wire inside of it. This will serve as the skeleton of our Pikachu. It's best to rest our character on a styrofoam because this will not stick on it. Set it aside while we create the legs. Make a diamond-shaped fondant and cut it in the middle. This way you'll have two legs. Cut the thicker part slantways. This way it will be much easier to attach it with the rest of the body. Do the same thing for the other leg as well. I'm just going to cut the excess floral wire here. I have removed our character on the floral wire because I want to merge the legs and the body so it's smoother and it will look like it's just one thing. When you're happy with it, do the same thing for the other leg. It can take a little bit of time doing this, but I would tell you this is worth it. When the body is done, let's start working on the head. We have to start with a circle yellow fondant, and then we want to use the tip of your hand and the side to create the separation of the head and the mouth. Please follow the screen on what I'm doing right now. Basically, we're using our thumb to create the nose of our Pikachu. We just want it a little bit pointy, but not too much. When you're happy with it, let's now move on to the eyes. Use a fondant tool to create the hollow part of the eye. What we're trying to achieve right now is just letting us know where the eyes should be. After that, we can now start creating the mouth. We just want the line of the mouth. This way, we can try to edit it later on if we made a mistake. But then, if you are happy with the placement, you can now use another fondant tool to create like a inverted triangle for the mouth. And then use the same tool to smoothen up the edges of the mouth. This way, the mouth will be more prominent. When that's done, put a black fondant inside the mouth. Make sure everything is getting covered. Now, since everything looks fine, I want you to use the same fondant tool that you used a while ago to create the eyes, and now push it harder. After that, fill the hole with black fondant. Add the little pink fondant for the tongue. I'm going to poke this head with a floral wire. This way it will relieve some pressure when we combine it with the rest of the body. Set it aside while we create another diamond shape but smaller for the arms. Pinch both ends using your fingers. This will serve as the hand of our Pikachu. And then, use a fondant tool to create a separation. We want to create 4 fingers on each hand. It will take a little bit of time since this is so small and it's really hard to do it, but just do it slowly. We don't have to rush this. And again, cut them in the middle. Now we'll have 2 hands. Like what we did on the legs earlier, I want you to cut it slantways. This way it will be much easier for us to attach it with the rest of the body. And again, use a fondant tool to merge them together properly, just like what we did on the legs. Now, this is not important, but I want to create a little bit of dynamic to it. So I want one hand to be raised and one hand just above his body. Let's now move on to his ears. We have to create two small diamond-shaped fondant and cut one end to be attached to the head. Do the same thing for the other ear. After that, we will now start on creating 2 feet. We want to create like a bean-shaped fondant and then put a little separation on it that each feet has 3 toes. Cut the tip of the leg and we want to stick the feet that you did on it. Of course, don't forget to put edible glue when you're sticking stuff on your character. This way we can make sure that it will not fall off later on. Now Pikachu's ear has a black tip, so we want to cut the tip of the ear and replace it with a black fondant. If you're liking our video tutorial for today, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Create a flat yellow fondant for the tail. And I also have created this pattern for his tail. We want to use a fondant tool, tracing the pattern on our fondant. Follow the path and cut the tail. For stability, I'm going to put a floral wire in between of the tail. And again, stick it on a flat fondant, then copy the same pattern. The bottom part of Pikachu's tail has a brown part. I'm just going to flatten a brown fondant and put it around the tail. And cut small triangles on the brown fondant for design. Put some pink circle fondant on his cheek and white circle fondant on his eyes. Stick the tail on his back. Since the tail keeps falling, I'm going to put a small wire on the top as well. And that's how we make a Pikachu cake topper. If you like our video tutorial for today, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you!